In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make payments on Expedia efficiently and without any hassle. Whether you're planning a dream vacation or a quick business trip, ensuring that your payment process goes smoothly is crucial. So, let's dive in step by step and help you finalize your travel plans with peace of mind. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Expedia Philippines website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Expedia Philippines. This is your gateway to a world of travel options, including vacation homes, hotel bookings, car rentals, and flights. Make sure you're comfortable with the layout and options available, as this will make your experience much more seamless. Now that you've landed on the Expedia page, it's time to log into your account. In the top right corner of the page, you'll see the Sign In option. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Remember, having an active account will make managing bookings and payments much easier. So if you don't already have one, this might be the time to create it. After successfully logging in, you will be redirected to the Expedia homepage. Here's where you can start navigating through your travel options. Your trips page will show a list of upcoming and past travel plans. This makes it convenient to manage details and payments efficiently, keeping everything organized in one place. Next, focus on the flight section. This is where you'll be able to view all relevant details about your upcoming flight. Click on Flights in your Trips menu. This part is especially important as it contains the specifics of your travel dates, times, and any special requests or requirements you might have previously set. As you delve into your flight details, identify the particular trip for which you'd like to make a payment. Click on your upcoming flight to open a detailed view. This will bring up information crucial for managing your payment, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with all the options available. Once you're ready to proceed, it's time to enter your payment methods. You'll be directed to a page where you can input your credit or debit card details. Double-check the information you provide to avoid any errors, as inaccuracies can lead to processing delays. Also, ensure your payment method has sufficient funds and is authorized for online transactions. There you have it, a straightforward walkthrough on making payments on Expedia. By following these steps, you've successfully ensured that your travel plans are booked and paid for securely. So go ahead, relax, and look forward to your journey. Safe travels, and see you in the skies or on the road.